What is good, fashion people? It's a curly haired brown boy and I am back at it again with another great video for you guys. I'm Prince and I hope that you're ready for some more of that good fashion knowledge, because today guys we will be talking about ruffles. So this is a continuation on my working detail series. If you haven't checked that out, you should go check that out guys. I'll leave a card and a link in the description. So I got the yarn setup. It's all here, it's all ready. I have Kiara sporting this ruffled skirt, which is exactly what I will be showing you guys today. And everything that you need to follow along in this video, you just need fabric marker, a strip of fabric, and a sewing machine. And so guys, if you guys are ready, then let's do it. So guys, let's get started. I have my piece of fabric right here. And so, a ruffle is a stitch in the center of a fabric for decorative reasons. You can use them in all sorts of garments to make your garments look really beautiful. And so, there are two methods in which we can do this. We can use either a gathering method or a machine method. And so, I've already done a video on gathering, so you guys should go and check that out. I'll leave a card and a link as well to that. So now, I'm going to show you guys how to do it using the sewing machine. And it's really easy guys. So, we're going to start off by marking 1 centimeter from the top and the bottom of our fabric, because we don't want to stitch all the way through. Okay, so I'm just going to take my ruler and do that. What I'm going to do is I'm just marking 1 centimeter in the center of this fabric, just like that. 1 centimeter here. Turn around my fabric, and just 1 centimeter on the other side. And so we're going to stitch. These are going to be our starting and ending points for our ruffle. Now I have my sewing machine right here. So before we can start doing our ruffle, we need to just switch up some of the settings right here. So we're going to start by changing our stitch length. You want to put your stitch length on the longest that it can go. Mine here is 4. And then we want to move over and change our tension. And we're going to change our tension. Well, it can go to the highest that you want it to be. Okay, but I'm actually going to move mine just to 6, and I'll explain why in a moment. I just wanted to explain to you guys why my thread tension is at 6 and not to its fullest. So while I was busy practicing for this video, my machine, it just kept on jamming over and over again.
Are you sure about that?
Didn't know why. So what I started doing was playing around with some of the settings. And so if that's happening to you, what you want to do is just decrease your thread tension a bit. I've noticed that when your thread tension is really high and your stitch length is not long enough, the machine tends to jam and your ruffles will just not come out right. So just try and decrease that a little bit. Your stitch length should be fine and everything else should be fine. So just try that guys. I hope that helped, and that's just a little tip for you guys. So guys, you want to start off by making sure you have some long tail threads, right? And now we're going to start and put our foot down on our 1 centimeter mark, because that's where we're going to start, right? And now I've changed my settings, and so I'm just going to stitch a straight line straight down to my second 1 centimeter mark. Okay. Okay, I want you guys to see how it's starting to ruffle here at the back. And just like that, the sewing machine starts to naturally ruffle the fabric. Like, how amazing is that? Okay, and now I'm just gonna do a back stitch. There we go. So guys, I just did my first ruffle. Look at this. I think it is looking super fresh. Like, it is looking really good guys. Look at these ruffles. So natural. Look, the machine has gathered the fabric so well, and this is like kind of like a hack. Instead of doing it by hand, which takes a lot longer, you can easily do it with machine by switching up your settings like I showed you guys, and this is the end result. So guys, that was the ruffle. I had a lot of fun making this video, guys. It was really great. I definitely struggled a bit, but you know what? I pushed through it and this came out as a really great video. Guys, if you learned something new, then please drop this video a like, guys. And do keep in mind that I do post weekly videos, and my next video is going to be so great, guys. I'm going to start doing some DIYs. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit those notifications so that you will be the first to know when I drop a new video. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace, guys.